Hello, Big Man Tyrone here, and today I want to tell you the story of how I made my first $10,000 on YouTube. Now, before you get too excited and start calculating how many views that is, let me stop you there. It wasn't AdSense. That's right. In fact, my first $10,000 did not come from YouTube ads at all. And that's one of the most important lessons I want to share with you today. You see, very early in my YouTube journey, I realized something that many creators overlook. Your YouTube channel is not just a channel, it's a marketplace. It's a place where people discover you, connect with you, trust you, and eventually buy from you. Most people focus entirely on AdSense. They think the only way to make money on YouTube is through advertisements. But I quickly realized there were many different income streams available. One of those income streams was merchandise. At the time, I was creating videos around various internet memes and online communities. Many of the viewers loved the jokes, the catchphrases, and especially the Kekistan content. So I thought to myself, why not put some of these ideas onto t-shirts? Now, I wasn't some fashion designer. Nobody was calling me the Giorgio Armani of memes. I simply created some fun shirts based on ideas my audience already loved. I made several designs related to Kekistan and other popular memes from my videos. Some sold reasonably well, some sold terribly, and a few others should never have seen the light of day. Then came my lucky break. I created a very simple t-shirt, no fancy graphics, no complicated design, just a simple statement. I am a proud citizen of Kekistan. That was it. And for reasons that still amaze me today, people absolutely loved it. Sales exploded. Orders started coming in faster than I could refresh the screen. Every time I checked, there was another sale, then another, then another. Within a week, I had grossed 10,000 US dollars. 10,000 in 1 week. I was absolutely losing my mind. I was literally jumping around the house. I was shouting. I was celebrating. If anyone had looked through the window, they would have probably called the authorities. Now, don't get me wrong. I had earned money before. I'd had jobs. I'd run businesses. I'd done various ventures. But never had I made so much money so quickly. And certainly not from a simple t-shirt based on a joke on the internet. That experience completely changed the way I looked at YouTube. For the first time, I truly understood the power of building an audience. I realized YouTube wasn't just about views. It wasn't just about subscribers. It was about opportunities. It was about creating something that people genuinely connected with. That first 10,000 gave me confidence. It showed me what was possible. It motivated me to keep creating videos. And 12 years later, I'm still creating content. Because once you've seen what's possible, it's very difficult to stop, believe you me. Now maybe you're watching this and thinking, that's great for you, Big Man Tyrone, but can I really do it? My answer is absolutely yes. Will your journey look exactly like mine? Probably not. You might not sell t-shirts, but you might create courses. You might offer coaching. You might even earn affiliate commissions. You might get sponsorship deals. You might build a community. You might even create products that don't exist yet. The opportunities are endless. But none of these opportunities can happen if you never start. The biggest mistake I see is people waiting for the perfect camera, the perfect microphone, the perfect logo, and the perfect idea. And while you're waiting for the perfect circumstances, someone with a smartphone and a bit of courage is starting today and changing their life. YouTube has opened doors for me that I never imagined possible. It's introduced me to amazing people. It's created opportunities around the world. It's helped me build businesses. And most importantly, it's allowed me to make a living doing something I genuinely enjoy. So, if you're thinking about starting a channel, this is your sign. Start. Upload your first video. Learn as you go. improve as you go. Because your first video could lead to your first subscriber. Your first subscriber could lead to your first customer. And your first customer could lead to opportunities you can't even imagine today. Thank you for watching. If you'd like help starting, growing and monetizing your own YouTube channel, join me inside YouTuber Academy in this next video. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video.